My name is Samuel Lingan. I am from class 9. My project name is Transposition in Plants. Transposition in plants refers to the movement of nutrients from one plant part to another. Transposition is essential for supplying nutrients for non-photosynthetic plant parts for enabling growth. Transposition is bidirectional movement of photosynthetic plant parts, that is amino acids and sucrose, from source cell, leaves to sink cell, growing buds, roots and flowers. Tissues involved: phloem, seed cell and companion cell. Direction: bidirectionally upward to growing parts and downward to roots.
My dearest viewers, like பண்ணுங்க, share பண்ணுங்க, subscribe பண்ணுங்க. I do comments also.